The Organization for Joint Armament Cooperation has officially welcomed India into the ambitious Eurodrone program, making it the second Asian country to be granted observer status. The Eurodrone program is focused on developing a next-generation medium-altitude, long-endurance drone designed to support intelligence, surveillance, target acquisition and reconnaissance missions. The French Navy reached major milestone in enhancing mine warfare capabilities by delivering its first surface drone as part of SLAM-F program. The delivered system is equipped with high-resolution Sondes towed sonar which provides detection range of 100 meters, enabling accurate detection and classification of underwater threats. Israeli firms SmartShooter and Heaven Drones have announced a strategic partnership to equip logistics drones with advanced robotic weapon systems. This integration will enable unmanned aerial systems to conduct combat missions against ground and aerial targets. The Indian Ministry of Defence has signed a contract with domestic firm Heavy Vehicles Factory for procurement of 47 T-72 bridge-laying tanks. This procurement aims to improve the operational capacity of its mechanized forces by enabling the rapid deployment of bridges during both offensive and defensive operations.